So I see you peeping at your phone over there.
Congratulations on your official acceptance into the 2021 Broadmoor Pikes Peak International Hillclimb.
Put it back up. It was a little too dark. Focus. There we go.
Yeah.
You got in!
I've had enough no's to like not get too excited until I saw the yes. So now it gets busy.
I mean, I told him the same thing. I was like, you were already like planning it as if you're getting in anyway. So, yeah. But now I think it's probably like a real realization.
Yeah,
now
like, now it activates the next step in some contracts and stuff. So
yeah. Woo!
No pressure.
Yeah, no pressure or anything. So that is phenomenal news. By the way, guys, I just wanted to apologize. We're going to be a little bit short-staffed this week. So I'm going to be really kind of hands-on deck with Cody. So you're probably not going to see me filming as much. You're probably going to see a lot of you're going to be seeing a lot of GoPro time lapses. But I will try to film where I can. Can I say what we're working on?
Yes.
So we are working on a front wing for a gentleman that also races in the Grid Life series, and I think he races in other series as well.
He's a
yeah, he's a really cool dude. Met him over the summer. His name's Feras. He has that twin turboed Corvette. You may have seen it on Hoonigan, or I know Larry Chen did a video about it. So right now we're making him a carbon fiber front wing. So I'm gonna get to sanding with all the stuff that we filled with Bondo. Enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the montage, and like I said, I'll try to pick up the camera when I can. All right, update, got done. Oh, actually, I think I hear, yep, there he is. You're gonna help me with some sanding.
What?
Did you cut your hair?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just in a bun.
No, I cut my hair.
Did you cut it? It looks good. So, I think Benoit's gonna have to school me in some body work. So I just got done sanding down all the Bondo, and now I'm gonna start it with 400 grit. I think we've got 600 grit, and then we've got 1,000 grit. Cody's actually welding on the autoclave right now, so hopefully I can turn on the time lapse. And yeah, let's see how this goes.
Yeah, so I'm welding the inside seams first, and then I get to go outside and grind and weld on the outside. And then we're done with the cell. Once that's done, we can go test. Throw 50 pounds at it, see what happens.
Woo!
See if it explodes.
Like everyone says it's gonna.
So then I'll be done with the water test, so if it does fail, that's not gonna kill anybody, it'll just go boosh. Boosh.
Yeah.
Holy echo.
Yeah, I was curious about the volume, but it seems like we're doing good on levels.
It's, in here it's very bassy, because I don't have a bassy voice. Unless I'm in here. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, guys. Thank gosh Benoit was able to help me out, because if I had to do this by myself, this would have taken me forever. But as you saw in the time lapse, almost done with the bottom piece of the mold. Cody got a lot accomplished welding inside the autoclave. I think he's literally only got a couple of more, I think he said he's got like maybe 12 more inches to do on the inside. So he's making phenomenal progress on that. We're hopefully gonna finish this up tomorrow, so then everything can be prepped. We should be getting flow media, I think that's what we're waiting for, by Tuesday, so we can finally lay some carbon in these pieces. So I'm excited to see that process, because like I said, it's going to a really awesome dude. It's going on a really awesome car. If you guys haven't followed up with Feras, make sure that you do. It's got a really cool build, a really cool story. But yeah, until then, this is gonna end it for tonight. We're gonna come back at it tomorrow morning. As we always do, we're gonna keep on working through the weekend as much as we can, and we'll keep you updated, so stay tuned. Good morning, guys, or I should say probably good afternoon, guys. So we're gonna start today. Cody's actually got a meeting with Evan. They're gonna go over some parts. I think Evan's gonna be doing some CAD work. I could be wrong, but I think he's getting ready in the office right now. So let's go see what he's up to.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, it's probably backwards for you for zooming.
It's not too bad. So then we have to add a 75mm flange. So we want to retain this on the part. So, can you split this part really quick into left and a right? Is that easy for you to do real quick? You should come over and make molds of those fenders. We can do some carbon ones out of the autoclave.
I know that would be.
If you want to do it, I'm down.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Serious about it. So okay. All right. Have fun. Talk to
See
you later.
ya.
See ya. Bye, Mitch.
Bye. Guys, I think I caught him at a good spot. He's stopping for a second. Hold on.
Some tungstens.
I was about to say, you were sharpening some tungsten. How's it going?
It's going pretty well. It's going to take a little longer than I thought because when I welded the inside, I just did a root pass basically. But the outside, I have to do a root and a cap. So basically doing 2 welds and 1 out here. So it's going though.
Yeah.
But yeah, good news is I'm not stressing the welder because I'm only at like 200 amps. So if I go anymore, it's just going to blow into it, and we don't want to do that. So about half done with the cap, and then I'll probably do down the seam. I'm gonna try to get it done today. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. Hey man, I know you've been cranking away, so.
Well, I gotta get it done. I've got a meeting with the client, which we're filming this stuff, and you guys will know about it when the time comes. But I have a meeting with the client regarding the parts that this go in on Monday. So so sooner I get this done, the sooner we can get cranking. Even though we're still waiting on molds, I'd like to have this done and working well in advance of getting the molds from Cox machine. So then I can just slide them in.
There we go. Guess who's back? That guy. Connor's back. I know he had to take care of some stuff, but we made good progress on the side wings, or not the side wings, the front wing. And now Connor and I are going to work on the side pod. See, that's where I got mixed up. Cody did a bunch of work over the weekend on the autoclave that unfortunately I was not able to capture. But we are going to tackle this. So there's a couple of small low spots. There's a couple of things like that we need to prepare. I think we're actually going to, Cody said something about respraying the front wings with fiberglass. So I guess there's a little technique that we might be able to do with that to kind of really ensure, because we're going to be pulling quite a few parts off of that mold. So we want to make sure it's looking good, looking great. So we're going to tackle that. I'm going to tackle this with Connor, and we're going to get on with the day. So stay tuned. And that is a wrap today. Connor and I were busting on the side pod all day. No, guys, it's been a lot of us just working on molds and GoPro stuff, but hopefully we're gonna be back in the groove of things. I can do a little bit more filming while everyone else is kicking butt at what they're doing. Cody's just been kicking as always on the autoclave. Hopefully he's almost done. I think he's only got a little bit left, and then he's all complete. Then we can hopefully go test some stuff. But other than that, working on the side pod, obviously going to be working on the other front wing for Feras, and then also we're going to make one for the Enviate as well. But that's it for this shop episode, guys. Stay tuned. We're going to be obviously laying down more carbon as the weeks go on. It's now crunch time, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe as you always do. Really appreciate the support, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.